Welcome to Left-Handed Lock Sport. I'm the EJM3, and today we're going to pick this little guy that I pulled out of a Master Lock branded doorknob that I picked up at Target for $15. This whole thing was $15. So if we take a look at this, it's a KW1 keyway, and this is the number that aligns with the bidding. So it's a 36236. So I'm thinking that 62 is going to give us a little bit of difficulty. This is the hardest bidding that I could find out of the ones that were on the shelf. So let's put this up in a vise. And I think what I'm going to do is take a bottom of the keyway tensioner and actually pull it up like that, using this shelf right here as my pivot point, and I think I should get access to all the pins, and hopefully this is a quick and easy pick. So let's get it put up on the vise and get picking. So bottom of the keyway tension. Start in the way back. And already got a click out of 5. 4 is bound. 3, moving up, got a click. 2, got a small click. And 1. And we got an open. Possibly the quickest pick to date. So let's gut this thing, figure out what's inside. We can lock this back up. So that is interesting. I've never seen a mill down the middle and the chambers cut from it. And look how loose those pins are inside. We can now see why this whole thing was $15. So nothing too exciting here. All standards, as we expected. And let's focus here. See if we get any fun stuff in the Bible. We have standard, 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 and standard. No surprises. Let's get the springs out. And all steel springs. And this is what we're looking at. I mean, I wish I could say something else, but you get what you pay for. So if you're going to put a lock on your front door, I do not suggest the Master Lock branded $15 doorknob from Target. Spend just slightly more and you don't have to lose sleep at night. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Click the notification bell to get emails every time I post a new video. You can click subscribe here. You can click right here to view my last video, and you can click right here to see my next video. And until next time, peace.